Good morning. Calming Habitat Diaries welcomes you. What you're looking at is the tracker of hummingbird migration. Hummingbirds are migrating now from Mexico and Central America towards United States, further to Canada. Right now, those red spots, what you're looking at is the location and citation of hummingbirds, and it is around all over Florida and Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, and then Louisiana, of course, Texas, all these areas in the West Coast, and all the states in West Coast, it went up until Vancouver already. Here in Mid-South, it is just skirting around Tennessee. In no time, it's going to come to Tennessee. In no time, it will be inside Tennessee quickly. It is right now in Mississippi and just below Arkansas. So hummingbirds are on their way. Now, this is a website we can cite 2026 Hummingbird Spring Migration Map. It's updated yesterday. Calming Habitat Diaries. Signing off. Thanks for watching. Interesting, isn't it? Please subscribe. Bye for now.